Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get pink blocks in Block Blast. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the Block Blast app on your device and select the classic mode to start a new game. Once the game begins, go to the settings menu located in the top right corner of the screen. Keep tapping the replay button until you see a layout that primarily features purple or red blocks. Play the game for about 20 seconds while these red or purple blocks are visible. During this time, record your gameplay using your device's screen recording feature. This footage will be needed in the next step. Once you're done with it, open the CapCut app. Now, let me clarify that many videos you see online are likely fake. They are edited using CapCut or other video editing platforms. If you want to create those pink blocks yourself to impress your friends, start by opening CapCut. Make sure that your video contains a majority of purple blocks. Otherwise, you will only end up getting pink blocks on certain colors. Once you have your video open in CapCut, click on it to select it. Next, go to the Adjust option. Inside the Adjustment menu, find the HSL tool. Here, select the purple color first. Adjust the hue until it turns pink. As you can see, the blocks will transform into pink. So that's basically how you can get pink blocks in Block Blast. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.